Do you have any features that you like to accentuate or bring out or hide?
These lips.
Oh God. Okay.
I'm at the zoo. I'm getting ready to go inside. We finna walk across the street. Yeah, I'll get you out. Yeah, we at the zoo with the kids. So, yeah. Can you get me out?
Come on. It's right.
You want him to bring his symbol?
No,
leave your symbol here because you might lose
him. He got
him.
his mask. Get his mask out. He's back there.
Okay.
What is here? What?
Ellie, get your bag. Let me see your bag.
It's water in here.
No. Okay, I'm gonna pick it up because they might say something. So I'll take the camera out when I go inside.
Leave me out of comments, leave me out of nonsense. Speaking out of context, people need some content. Niggas trying to keep up, shit is not a contest. Whipping bands concept, heaven sent, God sent. At least that's what my mom says. Proof is in the progress, money's not an object. Busy than a motherfucker, you know how my job get. Barking up the wrong tree, you know how the dogs get. Haven't fallen off yet. Come with a classic, they come around years later and say it's a sleeper. The ears are real, the petty is real. Might try my ex for a feature. Deposited the money to Brennan to Letitia, or Linda Felicia. She gave it me twice, I didn't even know her once. You know I'm a pleaser. 42 millimeter was made in Geneva. Yeah, I probably should go to your Yeshiva.
No, don't touch it right now. They want to bite it because you call heel.
Did you touch it? They ran away. Hold on, get your hand out. Wait till it come back. Okay, now here you go. Now get it. Oh, okay.
That's it.
What did that feel like? Let Ali touch it. Did you touch it? Wait, Ali, just one hand. That's why I want to go to New Orleans so bad. I want to go to the swamp, but I want to see some real animals.
Yeah, because these baby ones, don't talk about them. I'm talking about cameras. What's wrong with them? There's dirt on. I think they got dirt on them.
Yeah, keep my friends on my mind. I'm in love with two girls at one time, and they tens. That's why I got 10 on my mind. I got M's, got a lot of M's on my mind. And my friends, yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. Should repent. I need me some Jesus in my life. Amen.
We're about to go to Gus'S Chicken. Like, y'all, I didn't know they had a Gus'S Chicken down here. As y'all know, they got a Gus'S in Memphis, but I didn't know they got Gus'S Chicken down here. And come on here, girl. Down here. So that's what we finna walk to. We just came from the aquarium. So we finna get some of this little Gus'S Chicken. Baby, what is you talking about? You said little Gus'S Chicken. Which we walking to the car?
Mama, come put your jacket on.
Yeah, he got a long sleeve. Come on.
I like your jacket. My jacket.
Oh, Mira. That's like your sad name. Mira. Child, this hill making me tired. My lips are so chapped. My head probably look big as hell because I'm not going like this with it. Ooh wee. I'm out of shape because that hill is killing me. What the hell going on up in there? So, yeah guys, I'm gonna talk to y'all while I get in the car. Hey guys, so it looks to me like skunk. Okay y'all, so I'm gonna go to Gus'S. It's right here too. It's only him. I want to have fries and chicken.
Well, we need to go that way. Oh, we gotta go around that way. No, you can get me on the camera, girl, because I'm gonna go down.
We got our chicken. She said she finna throw down.
Look at her. Wait, is that hot sauce? That's hot sauce. Ketchup. That's hot sauce. Oh no, mama. Damn, I put hot sauce on your food. Don't eat them. That's hot sauce.
Want trip place with me? Because I like hot sauce.
Okay. Here, get it, Auntie Mo.
Okay.
Hey girl.
Hey girl.
Hey girl. What's going on? My name is Patience and I prime faces for a living. And today I'm working with Mo. And we've been to beat this baby down, okay? And we're gonna be back in a minute. What I left off with? Okay, my name is Patience and thank you for choosing me as your makeup artist for today. I have a few questions that I'm going to ask prior to us starting your application.
Are you a Scorpio? Taurus?
Are you allergic to anything?
Nope.
Are you sure? Are you positive?
Yep.
Okay. Do you have any features that you like to accentuate or bring out or hide?
These lips.
Oh God. Okay. You got me lashes, but these are lashes.
These my lashes.
Oh my God. Why are everybody else got?
Child, these litter.
They cute though. It's like little whiskers.
These lips.
Okay. Do you like to leave this beauty mark out?
We covered it.
Cover it. It's so cute though. You sure you want to cover it?
I don't like my moles.
I can't try it for the first time, but I think it's just because.
So how often do you wear makeup? I did that. Mo, I want your camera to sit off to the side so I won't keep walking in front of it.
Okay.
So maybe we can put it over there.
Yeah.
So be on the side. Yeah. Yeah, and I work on that side too, so you can actually see what I'm doing.
Okay.
Proceed.
She sat in that chair. What the world?
Question, tell me what you think about me. I buy my own diamonds and I buy my own rings. Only ring your celly when I'm feeling lonely. When it's all over, please get up and leave. Question, tell me how you feel about this. Try to
Where did I meet her?
Just talk to them.
At her house. I mean, not you.
Who are these people? How y'all doing? This is all clear close up on me. That's still a little distance. I don't got no makeup on yet. The LP. And Tiawani. Yes.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
This is just the beginning.
She's getting over
Hey. Hey, that's Sammy right there. Okay. Jenny over there. It's Ariel. Hi. And I'm Miss O.
Yes. It just takes so long.
They're gonna be like, oh, put your teacher back on the camera. What's her name? What school you go to?
Doing my nails. So you came to vlog today.
This
camera is cute. I got the same camera. Hey y'all, it's your girl, Miss December. You can follow me on YouTube at December Harmony, and you can get me on Instagram at Summer Winner.
It's the tongue.
Okay. This camera good though.
If you wanna, check me out.
I got a little filter on my
Jenny.
so make it look.
Jenny from the Black on YouTube.
Is this really gonna go on your YouTube though?
Yeah, I got edited up though.
Okay, we gotta come back when we beat y'all. Right now.
Cause y'all just like, does he come from there?
Right now.
Makeup.
She beats faces. Like, yes, honey, get your makeup done.
I don't think mine is the Sony though. Mine is the other one that flips out to the side.
Oh, something up at the top.
Mine flips up to the
Mine
top.
flips up to the top.
Oh, I know
That's
which one.
what I have. I think I have a Canon.
Yeah.
AX? No, I have the Sony AX. I have the Sony AX.
Oh, okay.
It's called Sony AX or something. And I switched the lens too.
Oh, you got the big one.
Yeah, I bought a big lens and then I got the original lens.
Ooh.
Yeah, the big lens give it very much like what the girls look like on YouTube. That's why I said I'm gonna start back my YouTube. Because that's what like,
Yeah, you can do tutorials. Ooh,
I'm
child.
gonna use it when I remarch.
Oh, remerch.
Yeah. I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas across the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead. All my raps on the facts that they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I can tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out the state. I got a little mix with me either way. It's a big gap between us and the game. The next life I'm trying to stay paid. I die, put my money in the. When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really gotta slap every nigga in a race. I really might tap realest nigga on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the bass. I used to stay pose with a mask and a cape. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money I done gave. I was on top when that shit meant a lot. Still on top, but I'm scared of the pop. Still on top when these niggas wanna swap. Niggas wanna swap like it's sauce in a box. I don't wanna change cause I'm good where I'm at. Mom, I saw I'm always good where I'm at. Junior, Jazzy, DJ.
Hit it at first, but now I'm in the game. You never would have known. Make sure you subscribe to her channel. Period.
Yes.
It's the look out for me.
Let's see.
It's good.
And she said hello.
That thing is served. Let me say it out.
Whoa.
This is not the Pride Land.
This is the Outlands. Y'all in the Outlands.
We're not in the Outlands. What? What?
Say hey, little biscuits.
Hey, little bit. Hey, little biscuit.
Oh.
I got in my chair.
Oh, we finna stay right here.
Hey, get in my
We can park in
chair.
front of the car that way if somebody want to sit park right there. Hey, get up right quick, Mama.
It will my chair.
Get up right quick.
Okay.
Ali, first of all, this ain't now one of y'all's chairs. It's not. Okay? It's not.
Out is my chair. No. Is this my chair?
No, ain't now one of y'all's chairs.
You sitting there in one of y'all's chairs.
Y'all need to remember one of y'all's chairs.
This is the end, I think, when they start popping the
Yeah, when they pop up real fast.
Yeah, it's the end.
My motto, and my Apollos, I ain't scared. Put Prada on my collar, cause she